Looking to add some seasoning to your popcorn, dips, peanuts, pretzels, crackers, check out these right here. This is the dill pickle seasoning right here. So if you like the pickle flavor, you also have the original one. It's no bake and very easy to just season. It's like you just toss it on there. This one has a little bit of garlic and salt. This one is garlic and Parmesan. This one is firecracker, so it's gonna have that little hot flavor to it. And then cinnamon toast, if you like cinnamon. Oh yeah, that's gonna be really good on some popcorn. And all you do is combine the seasoning mix and canola oil in a Ziploc bag, and you mix it well. And then you add what you want to it, and then just gently turn the bag over and until it's well coated. Then let it rest overnight and store it in a container, and then let the good tastes go on. So really easy to use. If you have a party coming up and you want people to be impressed with how good your pretzels or crackers taste, yeah, you want to check these out. Highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.